फिर से बोलना आंसर क्या होगा?
See a complete state, physical, mental, and social well-being.
ठीक है, अब आते हैं हेल्थ इसमें सेकंड नंबर। ए पेशेंट रिपोर्ट फीलिंग नोजिया एंड डीजी टू देयर डॉक्टर्स। In medical terminology, how are these subjective feelings to classified?
These are the क्या है? डिजीनेस,
Nausea, dizziness to their doctor, ठीक है। मेडिकल
तो
टर्मिनोलॉजी में
these will be symptoms. A,
इतना टाइम क्यों लगा?
सोच रहा था साइंस और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस होता है।
बताओ, इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा व्हाट डज द टर्म प्रकृति रेफर टू?
प्रकृति,
आयुर्वेदा में
type
जो
of
हम लोग पढ़े थे, प्रकृति मतलब क्या होता है?
seasonal changes और क्या है? an individual's unique body type.
सही है। Which indicator do scientists use to measure how clean or polluted the air in a specific area?
A, air quality index, AQI.
Diseases like diabetes and cancer are generally classified as a non-communicable. What is the defining character of these diseases?
They are all short-term and organ. They cannot be spread from one person to another. They are exclusively caused by tiny organs called pathogens. ये क्या होता है? नॉन कम्युनिकेबल तो spread, they cannot be spread.
How do insects like mosquitoes and housefly contribute to the spread of communicable disease?
They act as vectors.
In the history of medicine, what was the significant contribution of Dr. Edward Jenner?
The creation of world's worst vaccine to fight smallpox.
What is the primary danger associated with the overuse of unnecessary prescription of antibiotic?
It makes the human engine stop producing any white blood cells. Bacteria can survive. The body becomes B. Bacteria can survive and become antibiotic resistant.
Which of the following describe the biological mechanism of vaccine?
It provides the body with nutrition vitamins to cure. It acts as a chemical. It changes the environment around the person. It trains the immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens.
Why is it important to complete a full course of antibiotic even if you start feeling better after a few days?
To ensure all disease causing bacteria are killed, preventing resistance.
इसमें बताओ, according to the WHO, health is defined as more than just the absence of
A disease.
in Ayurveda. Good health is achieved through a balance between the body, the mind, and the
And nature, environment.
environment. What is the Ayurvedic term for a proper daily routine that helps maintain health balance?
Dincharya.
What is the Ayurvedic term for a proper seasonal routine that helps maintain health balance?
Neetu Charya.
In Ayurveda, the specific body that types that determines what fresh food a person should eat is called.
Prakriti.
What term refers to unusual feeling inside the body that signals something is wrong, such as a pain or nausea?
Symptoms.
What term refers to visible or measurable change in the body, such as a rash or high blood pressure?
Signs.
A condition that affect the normal functioning of the body or mind is called.
A disease.
What general term is used for tiny organism or germs that cause diseases?
Pathogens or germs.
Which category of disease is not caused by pathogens and does not spread from one person to another person?
Non-communicable. NCDs.
Which category of disease is caused by pathogens and can be transmitted from one person to another person?
Communicable diseases.
What is another name of communicable disease because of how they spread?
Infectious diseases.
Infectious.
Okay.
Communicable disease spread through the air when an infected person.
Coughs or sneezes.
How are germs transferred during direct contact between individuals?
Through air or water.
आ गया आंसर.
ठीक है.
What transmission? How a germ transports? What transmission route involves sharing personal items like
Transmission route.
direct or indirect? Disease such as a cholera can be spread through the consumption of contaminated.
Food or water.
What term describe organisms like mosquitoes that carry disease-causing germs from one host to another?
Vector.
What is the causative agent pathogen types of the common cold influenza?
क्या देना है? Agent.
किसके कारण?
Virus.
Which viral disease is characterized by mild fever, itchy skin, and blister?
Chickenpox.
What is the primary site of infectious for tuberculosis?
Tuberculosis. Lungs.
Which bacterial disease is transmitted through the air and causes symptoms like fatigue and night sweats?
Night sweats. नहीं याद है.
Hepatitis is a viral disease that primarily affects which organs?
Liver.
What are the primary symptoms of cholera?
Dehydration and cholera. Diarrhea शायद से.
Which bacterial disease of the intestine is spread through contaminated food and cause abdominal discomfort and fever?
Discomfort and fever. Typhoid, शायद.
What type of pathogen cause ascariasis?
Mm, roundworms.
Which protozoa disease cause periodic chills, sweating, nausea?
Periodic chills, sweating, and nausea. शायद से मलेरिया.
What is the common name for dengue fever due to the severe pain it causes?
Bone fever.
What is the causative agent of dengue?
Virus. Insect.
Yes. To prevent diseases like malaria and dengue, it is crucial to control breeding in around the home.
Control.
मलेरिया और डेंगू को बचने
Water
के
breeding. Mosquito breeding. अच्छा.
ब्रीडिंग मतलब क्या हुआ ज्यादा बढ़ना और डेंगू और फीवर किससे होता है मॉस्किटो से तो रोकना किसको है
ठीक है.
मॉस्किटो को राउंड worm and tapeworm are example of worms that live inside the human gut.
Dash worms. Uh, parasitic. अभी नहीं बाबू.
Diseases
Diseases
that last for a long duration, typically more than 3 months, are known as a
long term diseases.
ऐसे कोरोनिक डिजीज को भी लॉन्ग टर्म डिजीज बोला जाता है.
अच्छा.
Frequent urination, excess thread, slow wound healing are sign of which chronic diseases?
Diabetes.
To manage high blood pressure, hypertension, patient often suggested to follow a
Low salt diet.
low salt or sodium. Who was the Indian biomedical researcher known for the pioneering contribution to the study of cancer?
Dr. Rana Devi.
Dr. Kamal Rana Dive.
अच्छा dive.
वही हो गया. What terms refer to the natural ability of our body to fight diseases?
Immunity.
A substance that trains the immune system to recognize a fight specific pathogen is called
Trains. ये vaccines.
what type of immunity develops in the body after exposure to pathogen or vaccines?
Acquired vaccines.
Acquired immunity.
अच्छा.
Who is known as the father of immunology for developing the first vaccine?
Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner created the world's first vaccine to protect people from which deadly diseases?
Chickenpox.
Smallpox.
हाँ वही smallpox.
What traditional Indian practices involve stretching material from mild smallpox or onto healthy person's skin?
क्या what traditional Indian practice involves scratching material from a well chicken pox शायद.
नहीं, वो प्रोसेस पूछ रहा है. वैक्सीन स्मॉल पॉक्स का वैक्सीन डेवलप होने से पहले इंडिया में कौन सा प्रैक्टिस किया जाता था?
आयुर्वेद.
नहीं, एरोफेशनल.
क्या?
वेरियोलेशन.
अच्छा.
इसको पढ़ाए थे ना कि क्या बोलते, एडवर्ड जेनर का स्मॉल पॉक्स का वैक्सीन डेवलप करने से पहले इंडिया में कौन सा प्रैक्टिस? In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered the world's most first antibiotic, which was named as a
penicillin.
what phenomena occurs when bacteria can no longer be killed by the antibiotic used to treat them?
Antibiotic resistance.
Why should antibiotic not to be used to treat the common cold or flu?
Because antibiotics are used for
For
bacterial infections, not viral infections.
correct. To prevent antibiotic resistant, patient must complete the full.
Course of medicine if they feel better.
What are the three traditional medicine system of India mentioned in the text?
आयुर्वेद, सिद्धा और ये यूनानी.
What index used by scientists to communicate how clean or polluted the air is?
AQI.
Full form?
Air quality index.
In the air quality index AQI, a number indicates cleaner air.
AQI number.
AQI नहीं,
AQI number.
वो पूछ रहा है in the air quality index AQI, a number indicates cleaner. बताए थे कि जितना लोअर होगा उतना क्लीनर होगा, जितना हायर होगा
the
उतना पोल्यूटेड
lower
होगा.
number indicates.
What type of dysentery disease includes scurvy, anemia, and goitre?
क्या? Scurvy, anemia और गोइत्रे. क्या ही होता है?
ये 7th क्लास का क्वेश्चन.
शायद मलेरिया.
ये पूछ रहा है कि किस चीज का डिफिशियंसी से स्कर्वी, एनीमिया और गोइटरी होता है?
नहीं पता.
आयोडीन 7th क्लास में पढ़ी है.
अच्छा.
तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? न्यूट्रिएंट डिफिशियंसी. तो जो आयोडीन होता है, मतलब आयोडीन क्या हो गया तुम्हारा? विटामिन हो गया. ए बी सी डी के प्रोटीन, ये सब क्या तो विटामिन में आता है. तो इसका डिफिशियंसी से तो इसी को बोला जाता है न्यूट्रिएंट डिफिशियंसी. और ये किस में होता है? नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज में. How do pathogens from an infected person cough reach healthy person nearby?
Through the air.
Which insect act as a vector for carrying germs from one host to another?
Mostly mosquitoes. और हाउस फ्लाइज शायद.
What is the primary way to prevent the spread of diseases through contaminated water?
To treat the water and drink clean one. अच्छा, drinking boiled water.
इसको भी हम लोग ये भी बोल सकते हैं, to treat the water.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Frequent tiredness and weight gain are common sign of lifestyle related condition.
Frequent tiredness and weight gain. Obesity.
Correct. Which lifestyle related disease is linked to mood swing, heightened anger, and restlessness?
BP.
Vaccines are often made from weakened or
Dead germs.
by which year was smallpox officially eradicated worldwide?
Eradicated.
मतलब smallpox कब तक खत्म हो गया
Seven,
था?
1979.
What specific mold was Alexander Fleming studying when he discovered penicillin?
Green.
How does the
Um,
overuse of antibiotics in animal affect human health?
Human health. As they get uh, bacteria resistant and disturb our food chain.
पोल्ट्री
सही तो था.
ठीक है वो गलती से हो गई. What is the main root cause for the rise of non-communicable disease NCDs in India?
Non-communicable. Evolving lifestyles.
Which type of disease requires regular treatment and care to keep the body healthy over a long time?
Chronic diseases.